Okay, so A18 says, what's the one takeaway from your life that we should all know and learn from? Um, that's a complex question, A18. But I think the best answer I could give you that I've thought about in the past is that life is not a series of wins, it's a series of mistakes. Mistakes that you make and mistakes that others make. Right? And then how can you learn from your mistakes and minimize your mistakes? And then how can you see mistakes in others and help them with that, or maximize that, or minimize that, or whatever, right? So I say that because I've had those thoughts in regards to some of the questions I get around jobs. Because I know a lot of you have questions around data science jobs and how can I get hired. So the other day on stream, I gave the example of people who come to me and say, oh, well, I'm doing the Kaggle, I have the GitHub, why is nobody hiring me? Well, because you're doing the same things everybody else is doing, right? You're not standing out. So that to me ties together because you're making a mistake, right? Like you deserve to not get hired if you're doing that. So you kind of so A18. That's the answer I would tell you guys. You have to kind of evaluate your life and your goals in that way, right? Like, are you making the mistake or are they making the mistake? And how can you minimize those mistakes in your life? So that's what I would tell you.